Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure your iPhone is activated and signed into your Apple ID, and your Android has the Move to iOS app installed. Once done, connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network and plug them into power so transfers don't drop. You should also back up Android photos and messages locally. This prevents data loss if a transfer stalls. Now open Move to iOS and follow the on-screen code procedure to begin moving contacts, messages, photos, and compatible apps. You will see a numeric code on the iPhone. Enter it into Move to iOS on your Android to create a private temporary Wi-Fi link. Once linked, select the exact data categories you want: contacts, message history, camera roll, bookmarks, and Google account info. Let the transfer run to completion. Do not put either device to sleep or switch apps, because interruptions cause partial transfers. After the bulk moves, you will review a list of equivalent apps and manually download those that can't be auto-migrated. You finish by signing into iCloud and the apps you moved. This syncs messages, contacts, and calendars. Make sure iCloud photos and messages in iCloud are enabled so everything updates across devices. If some media or app data didn't migrate, open Google Photos or your Android backup and restore missing files manually. If anything goes wrong, reboot both phones, confirm Wi-Fi stability, and retry the move to iOS flow. As a last resort, perform a manual backup of Android and transfer files via computer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.